welcome to Jordan Bikes. Look what I've got for sale. This is a BMW S1000XR. This one's right, Bobby Dazzler is this. Loads of carbon fibre, festooned with carbon fibre is this. Anyway, give you some facts and figures, fine selves. This one's a 2017 66 plate. 3,860 miles it has done. Like I say, festooned with carbon fibre. Got the protectors there, the infills. Also the back's all carbon fibre. Gillies rear sets. Right, Bobby Dazzler is this. Right, Bobby Dazzler. Gonna give it a turn on in a second so you can hear it, but these come with the traction control systems, cruise control, power modes, gear indicator. Yeah, look at the carbon fibre there, cameraman. Absolute cracking colour scheme, this one. I'm gonna give it a start up in a second. Camera, let's show them the dials and the displays there, come on. Here we are, here we are. Shows you all the details there for your fine selves. Here we go, we're gonna give it a little Bobby's start up. Give it the old brum brum. Right, Bobby Dazzler, this is absolutely sounding mega. Anyway, what you need to do, pop down to Jordan Bikes or just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.